Hello friends, my name is Shilpi. Today I'm going to show you my night skincare routine with Estee Lauder products that I do during pregnancy. So the first step in the night skincare routine is the cleansing part. For this, I'm using the Estee Lauder Soft Clean Moisture Rich Foaming Cleanser. Just take a little bit of the cleanser between your fingers, rub it and clean your face and pat it dry. The second step is using the serum. I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi Recovery Complex. Take 4 drops of this serum, rub it between your fingers and apply it all over your face, the cheeks, the forehead, the eye area, the chin, the ears and the neck. Massage it gently into the skin. It's a very hydrating serum and it will help you in evening out the skin tone. The third step is the eye serum. For this, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. Very good for removing the dark circles around the eyes, and it's a thick kind of concentrate, and you put it under the eyes and over your eyelids and massage it gently using your ring finger. Just dab it into the skin and massage it gently all over the lids, and don't forget the eyebrow bone. The third step is the moisturizer. For this, I'm using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night. It's a very thick moisturizer, so you don't need more. You just need to take it on your finger and put 4 dots of the moisturizer all over your face and your neck area, and then massage it gently using your fingers into your skin. It gives you intense hydration and makes your skin moisturize and plump. The fourth step is using an eye cream. For this, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. It's an intense eye cream, and use your ring finger to put the dots over the eyelids and under the eyes and gently massage it into the skin in circular motion. Don't forget the wrinkles around the eyes. It's good for depuffing the eyes and locking the moisture and helps to reduce the wrinkles. So it's a very must step. The fifth step is to use a lip balm. Here I'm using the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Repair Potion. It's a very intense lotion for the lip. So if you got really chapped lips, so you can use it overnight, or otherwise you can use a regular lip balm also. The sixth step is facial massage. For this, I'm using the Blue Aventurine Facial Roller from Sephora. Start the massage from center of your chin going towards the ear and down to your neck. Drain all the liquid down to the lower lymphatic nodes present at the collarbone. Do this procedure 4 or 5 times on each side. Secondly, start from the center of your lips going up towards your cheek and draining all the liquid into the upper lymph node present near your ears. Repeat this step 4 or 5 times on both the sides. The third step is the depuffing of the eyes. Use the smaller end of the jade roller. Start from the inner corner of the eyes going towards the outer corner of the eyes, and for the eyebrows, start from the middle of the eyes going towards the outer end of the eyebrows. Repeat this procedure 10 times on each side. Again, use the bigger end of the jade roller and start from middle of the eyebrows going up the hairline, and then drain all the liquid into the lymph node present near the ears. That's it guys, this is the night routine I follow every night. It helps to keep the skin moisturized, and it also helps to depuff the face when you wake up in the morning. I would leave a link of all the products that I've used in this video in the description box below. Please do check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more skincare and pregnancy related videos. Thank you. Bye bye.